Another beautiful Monday here at German Auto House. Welcome everybody. Got two cars we're working on today. We got a McLaren and an Audi S6. I'll start out with something simple, I guess. Came in with a screaming loud pitch, whistling sound, really loud, like a rat was stuck somewhere here or a cat and just going meow. Well, we've seen it before. We've seen it on Bentleys, seen it on Audis 4.0s. The crank ventilation valve, which is located underneath over here, and basically there's actually an easiest step to, if you do hear it, pop this open. If it goes away, well, that's what it is, and you got to remove all this, everything to get into there, and it's gonna be a fun little process. We also have a McLaren that came in over the weekend. Came in dead battery, no start, no nothing electrical working. Had a fully drained battery. Charged that up, started up, it starts up fine. Okay, we had to play around to figure out what's going on. We did find out that the alternator is not working properly. Took it apart, and first thing we found out, oh, one of the teeth, one of the teeth fell out. And we were like, okay, something broke inside. And then we started playing. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if I can. You see that shaft movement? Anyways, if you look close here, look at that crack. And this thing, see, right there. I don't know if you can see, but there is movement. It totally, from heat, destroyed itself. So now we're waiting for a new alternator, and then this car is also going to get new Soul exhaust we're doing on this car, and then I'm gonna upload a stage 2 tune and put it on our dyno, see how it performs. So stay tuned for some updates, and have a great Monday, have a great day, take care. What's up guys, welcome back. A little update on our crank ventilation valve, this puppy right here. So in order to get that, you do have to put the car into service mode, as you can see right here. Fluid wise draining, you really don't have to do much, only the coolant. That's the only one that you would drain. And then you need 3 gaskets. You need the right bank, left bank, and then the throttle body, which is this, it's a dual. And if you look right here, you can see that's the throttle body gasket. Here's the right bank, left bank. You have to replace them. I mean, they're one-time use, so it's better to replace them. Once everything's done, put everything back in the reverse order and call it a day. Hopefully we'll finish today. I'm not sure, we might. We're gonna do our best, and you'll see an update after that. And then with the 720S, ordered Soul exhaust, that's coming in, and waiting for the generator, and then she'll be done also. One happy customer. Stay tuned for updates. Have a good day. Bye. Welcome back guys on this beautiful Tuesday. Well, we all cut up with this car, did everything last night. Dimitri stayed behind and finished everything. It's all done. Just swapped out the coolant for last time. Ready to go to the customer. So all this had to be moved. All this had to be removed. All this had to be removed. But everything's back in place like it should be. And everything is beautiful, running like she is, perfect. No more screaming, no more rat sound, squeaking, nothing. And again, if you ever hear a sound like this,